Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Nicole Dion, and today I'm going to show you how to do a soft, subtle, smoky eye. You'll need just a few tools. You're going to need a blending brush, a fluff brush, an angled liner brush, and a pencil liner brush. I have palette 4, and I have a customized palette. Of course, I have some brow gel. This is a universal brow gel you can get at Sally Beauty Supply. I love it because it's for all brow colors. First, what you're gonna do is take your deluxe brush, and we're gonna dig into the lighter color, and we're just gonna put that on all over. So make sure that you put on primer first if you want your eye makeup to stay on in place all day. And then we're gonna pat that on top. And when you apply a powder first, that's a really nice flesh tone, it's gonna give you some blendability with the future colors that you put on. I like to add a little splash here in that inner corner. The next color I'm going to use is that really pretty dusty pink. Load up the brush and apply that to the lid. Isn't that gorgeous? Very subtle. Okay, next what we're going to do is take that really pretty, it's kind of a taupey brown, and we're going to use our blending brush. And we're going to be really light-handed with our brush. We're going to go side to side and really work that into the crease. Smoky eye doesn't have to be super dark or intense. It's just using the color all the way around your eyes in a really diffused manner. I'm going to dig into palette 4. I'm going to use the darker brown. I'm going to load up my brush. And now I'm going to deepen my outer corners. And I'm going to use like a check mark. And what I mean by that is I go side to side and then I go down into an angle, and it gives the eye a lift. You're going to be really light-handed with your brush. See the difference? It just makes your eyes look like it's swooping up. Just make sure you don't go past this line, because then it'll make your eyes look like it's drooping. So side to side and down. Got it? You want to be light-handed so everything blends together. Okay, next what I'm gonna do is go back to my customized palette. I'm gonna grab that dusty rose color because it's absolutely beautiful, and I wanna make it a transition color. Use this dusty rose. I'm gonna go up a little bit higher than my crease. Warm it up a little bit. Lastly, we're gonna get that deluxe brush back out. We're gonna go to palette 4, use this light color here. It's called Tender, and it has the light reflective properties to it. And we're going to go underneath the brow bone. And if you don't want your look to be as matte as this, we can add a little bit of sparkle here and here. We're gonna take our eyeliner brush and we're gonna smoke it out. We're gonna go about half the length of our eyelashes. And then I wanna soften that a little bit. I'm gonna use the dusty rose color, and we're gonna go right on top of that and smudge it out. And then I'm just gonna take a final look and see if I wanna intensify it anywhere. I'm gonna add a little bit of that rose brown just to the outer corner and just intensify that just a little bit more. There we go. Now it's turning into a smoky eye. And I'm using that same pattern, the side to side and down with the check mark. Gorgeous. And I'm gonna do one final look, make sure everything looks blended. You can circulate your brush a little bit, just do a little swirl, just to make sure everything looks good and blended, and voila. Smoky eye, it's not super intense, it's very soft. The warm colors, the pinky browns, which I'm really into right now. But of course, we can't leave with the brows the way they are, so I'm gonna go back into my palette 4. I love palettes because you have a lot of options. I'm gonna use the lighter of the two browns. And I'm just gonna outline my eyebrow. Then I'm gonna fill in the tail. I'm not gonna reload my brush, and I'm gonna push the rest of this over. Now I'm gonna take my brow gel, and I want you to notice how having your brows filled in polishes your look. And using a brow gel holds everything in place and give your brows more texture. See the difference? Finished, not finished, finished, not finished. All right, you guys, I hope you took a thing or two from this video. Give it a try. Pull out all your beautiful rose browns, your soft colors, and try a really pretty soft smoky eye this fall. Be the best version of yourself, and I will see you next time. And if you like what I'm doing here and you want me to keep the videos coming, please give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe.